My name is Kasie Oswald, and thanks for joining me for another installment of Free Tool Tuesday. All right, well, guys, I have been throwing around hints for the last several weeks, and now I can confirm Groove is closing down the lifetime platinum or platinum lifetime access next month. So that is the lifetime. So right now, it's one payment forever. You never have to pay again. And they are doing away with that because we are coming out of beta. So I think it's really exciting that we are coming out of beta, but also you should know that platinum lifetime access is ending next month. I'll be sharing more details about it soon, but if you currently have the free version or if you've been thinking about upgrading to the platinum, now would be the time. Get with me, ask questions, and yeah, I'll let you know more about it soon. They do have it in the works right now, though, but it should be ending here shortly, next month. In a few short weeks, Groove will move to a subscription plan, so you will have to pay monthly to utilize the full kit and caboodle. Tune in next week for more information about how you can get in before it's too late. All right, so are you wondering if the free tools are going away? No, they aren't. You can still continue to use all the awesome sauce of Groove that the free package has. However, Groove may eliminate some of the tools that are part of the free membership. So if you have the free lifetime, you're good to go. If you don't, you might want to jump in on the free lifetime as well, because we don't know how it's going to look next month when they start changing things up a little bit. It is a free lifetime account right now, so it's a perfect time to get that. We have spent almost the entire final quarter of 2021 together grooving over the resources provided by Groove. Today, I wanted to highlight GrooveSell. We have already learned about Groove Cart and Groove Funnels, so it makes sense to take things one step further to learn more about the new kid on the block, which is GrooveSell. Did you used to listen to New Kids on the Block? My sister loved them. GrooveSell definitely has the right stuff for your business to take it into 2022. I can't believe we're so close to 2022. If you've been looking for a digital platform that makes it easier and more efficient to sell both products and services, GrooveSell is another #1 hit. You know me, I like to keep things short and sweet, so here's what you need to know. GrooveSell integrates well with all payment platforms. There's no hidden fees or charges. It supports upsells, downsells, cross-sells, all the sells, allows unlimited product funnels, and gives you data on your sales. I do like the analytics and data, so if you like that kind of stuff too, you would like this. Let's wrap this up for today by reviewing this awesome tool. The key takeaway is that GrooveSell can help you sell products, digital services, and subscriptions by empowering you through the creation of funnels. If you want to know more about funnels, you can watch my live from last week by clicking on the link below. I already added it in the description, so you can check that out. Of course, you can take a sneak peek at all of the other Groove tools that I've attached. We have spent the last 6 weeks together learning about Groove tools. We have learned how to create courses with Groove Member, how to build an online store with Groove Cart, and how to process payments with Groove Pay. We've also learned about the amazing Groove Funnels, which pairs with our topic today of GrooveSell. So how are you using Groove? Let me know in the comments. Are you already signed up with Groove? Or are you looking into it? Send me a message here, as I'd love to hear what's working for you. If you'd like to join me at Groove, you can click the link below to get started. And it's really an exciting time in the Groove universe. And stay tuned. You'll want to see next week when we're announcing some of the upcoming changes and big things happening at Groove. So stay groovy, friends, and I will see you all next week. Oh, Sherry said she's setting up her website with Groove. Awesome. Let me know how it is and what kind of website are you setting up? Super excited to hear all about it. And thank you everyone for joining me, and I'll see you all next time. Have a great one. Bye.